I used to lose accounts because I rushed through them, then ended up wasting even more time trying to warm them up properly. Here's how I stopped having to deal with the process altogether. I'm going to show you how that's possible in today's video with Nextbrowser. So make sure you stick around for the rest of the video. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm logged into Nextbrowser right now. Just make sure you head over to app.nextbrowser.com. I just want to make sure you go to the official website and not anywhere else. So this is the dashboard and this is how it looks. As you can see here on the left, under Nextbrowser, we've got scheduled tasks, profiles, connections, credentials, and then this main section here is what'll help you get rid of all the human error. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know about Nextbrowser and how it can help you warm up your accounts and hang on to more of them at the end of the day. Alright guys, so most people stuff up right at the start by losing accounts. They mess up the account warm-up, and that's where Nextbrowser comes in to actually automate the process and help you keep more accounts. Basically, most people just end up looking dodgy with their behaviour. They do it by hand, which is just slow and all over the shop, and trying to manage it across heaps of accounts is an absolute nightmare. So Nextbrowser will help you manage it across multiple accounts, keep things consistent, and make the whole process smooth, so you can hang on to more accounts. To sort out that human error, we're going to use the account warm-up feature that Nextbrowser offers. So what you want to do is head over to Account Warm-Up, and as you can see here, we can set up our task. What I'm going to do is paste in a prompt. So as you can see, log into my Facebook account, browse pages like a normal person for 20 minutes, like 3 posts, and scroll through the feed. The cool thing is, this actually copies real human behavior. It's not bots. I'll say it again. You'll copy real human behavior. It's like you're sitting there doing it yourself. It'll just be AI. Alright, so as you can see, I've typed my prompt in now, and the cool thing is you can pick profiles, proxies, and credentials. So as you can see here, I've got 2 profiles. I can pick one of them, or I can make a new profile. So for this video, I'm just going to pick a profile that's already been set up. Another thing to mention is that one profile equals one digital identity. So as you can see here, I've got 2 profiles, which means I'll have 2 digital identities. That's pretty cool because you can have multiple digital identities on Nextbrowser. So I'm going to pick this one, and you can even add a proxy, which is bloody cool. So if I click on that, they've got a built-in proxy, or you can set up a custom. I'm going to pick the built-in option. You can choose the type of proxy, so I'll go with a residential proxy. You can pick the country too, so you can really make this your own. So let's say I want one in the UAE. You can even pick the region. Let's say Abu Dhabi. City, Abu Dhabi, and the ISP. So you can do that, and you can literally customize it exactly how you want. So that's pretty cool. Alright folks, so this whole process is how you'll avoid cross-account signals. It makes it super easy to use. As you can see here, you can approve posting and messaging actions and get an email when the task's done. So I can kick off this task. As you can see, it'll load up and start the task for me. Now that this task is about to be up and running, I'm going to head over here to scheduled tasks. Basically, what you can do is set and schedule tasks daily, so they run on their own and you don't have to hang around and babysit them. They'll run automatically, so you don't have to do a thing. You can just schedule them in. As you can see right here, task list. I don't have any tasks scheduled at the moment, but you can also check your run history and then schedule your tasks so they run daily without you having to babysit them. If you're sick of losing fresh accounts and having to warm them up by hand, this sorts that out. Give one warm-up workflow a go in Nextbrowser and let it run. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Until next time, cheers!